Hi, this is the third step in the study abroad procedure. And in last video, we have talked about the supporting documentation, both compilation and preparation. And in this video, we will be talking about how we can apply to the university and upload the supporting documents for our application. So first we will talk about the application method, and then we will talk about the university application, two different parts. One is the application questionnaire or form, and second is the supporting document upload part. And thereafter we will be talking about the best practices which you should always keep during the university application. And in the final, we will be talking about what to do after submission of the application. So let's talk about the first part, application method. So there are a couple of application method based on the university. So university can ask you to apply through the purely online mode through their portal, or they can also ask you for offline application. And sometimes some university like TU Dresden, they go for the hybrid application mode. So some part you will be completing on the university portal, and supporting document and these things you will be sending to them through the courier or through the offline means. So that is kind of like hybrid, so which is including the both things. So that is also possible. And some university also take the application through the third party like UniAssist. So the UniAssist will be only checking your application for the completeness. So university have given instruction to the UniAssist. So each and every student who is applying, so they must provide us these following documents, and you collect these documents from the student and just forward it to us. So UniAssist will not be reviewing your application for eligibility, suitability, and for selection possibility. They will be just collecting the document from you and will be forwarding it to the university. So these are the different methods. And now the next point is university application. So in the second part, as I said earlier, so there are two things. One is the questionnaire. So university always have a structured questionnaire. So they have a lot of questions for collecting the all information about the applicant or the student. So based on this, the questionnaire and the answer which you will provide, so they will be sorting out the eligible and not eligible candidates, and thereafter also the suitable and not suitable candidates among the all applications. So fill the entire application completely, and if something is not relevant to you, you can leave those parts, but try to fill as much as you can. Thereafter, once you submit the application, most of time you get the link to upload the document, which is supporting document. Why these are called the supporting document? Because the information which you have provided, so these document will be supporting those information. Suppose you put that you had 8.2 CGPA in your bachelor. So the supporting document like bachelor degree and your transcript will be supporting this information. So that's why these documents called the supporting documents. So in this part, you will be uploading the all document which you have compiled and also prepared. So during the preparation, so always try to prepare the document which are tailored to this program specific. So because each program has their own objective course curriculum. So your CV and your motivation letter and your research proposal, so these documents should be according to the program. So these should be aligned very well with the programs. And supporting document which you have collected, so those will go approximately same in each and every program. And thereafter, the third point in this video we are discussing is the best practices. So always check the method or means of the application, so how university is accepting the application, and always follow that. Sometime some student send the document to the university through the email to the coordinator and asking, so I wanted to apply for this program and can you check my eligibility and this. So you are not going to get a response actually for those email and submission. So always check the proper means which university or the program has defined on their website, and always follow that. The second thing in best practices is always check what the document they are looking for and exact specification which they have mentioned for those particular document. please provide the all mandatory document which they have asked with the specification which they have been asking for. So if you want your application to be successful. And the third part in the best practices is apply at least 15 days before than the formal deadline. Why I'm saying that? So you can definitely apply even on the last day. That's also possible. But if you are applying like 15 days before the deadline, so the university will be having the time to review your application and let you know if there is something missing. So in most of cases, if you are missing something and you applied 15 days or maybe a bit earlier than that, then university will be able to let you know. So this document or information is missing if we are applying earlier. And the last part is what to do after the application. So after the application, you will get the confirmation email from the university or the program coordinator that they have received your application. And second most important thing, do not follow the university and do not send the email to them regarding like when the result is going to declare, what happened to my application. So please do not follow up because they have a lot of application and they will be reviewing. So that's all about this university application video. And if the university found you the suitable candidate and will be giving you the admission letter, and if you are not among those potential candidates, then you will be getting the rejection email or rejection letter from the university. The selected candidate who got the admission letter will be now proceeding for the enrollment, which is the next step, and we will be talking in the upcoming video. Thank you so much. We'll see you in next video.